Hello guys, this is Everyday from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my live trading session. Right, so right now I'm actually watching Pound Yen to sell, Right, so at this point of time, it's already start selling, but we still have a little bit of space to go. Right, so yeah, just now looking at this from the 50, we have a 50 pips of space. Yes, we have a 50 pips of space to sell. So right now it has already gone through about maybe say 30 pips already. So I hope you guys actually captured that. All right. Yeah. So I hope this will really actually capture. Okay. All right. Thank you guys. All right. So yes. Okay. So this is something. All right. Something that is captured for the day, right? Is I think it's quite good over here. As I see, once the London market opened, it has actually have a good slide down for everybody to capture the profit. Well, I think Pound Yen is actually pretty good right now. Okay, so guys, remember, right? Okay, so now it's not the time. Okay, if you have not entered just now earlier on, okay, probably we will take it as a miss. Okay, then we shall look out for something else. Okay. Yes, pretty near. Yes, yes, Hubert. Yes, pretty near to the TP price. Oh, Bradley has already TP for 50 pips. All right, congratulations. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. All right. Okay. Very good, very good. Yes, that's a nice one. Okay. Fantastic, fantastic. Okay. Well done. Okay, so yep, keep pushing. I guess yep. Hubert, okay, taken 40 pips. All right, then that's a great one. Okay. Yep. All right. Yes, very nice, very nice. Okay. Okay, so that is good. That is good. All right, fantastic. All right. Oh, okay. GUTP 50 pips or so. GU. Oh, okay. Well, all right. So I guess that's also a nice one. Okay. Pretty good. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, so I guess tentatively we are going to look out for something nice, right? Okay, so Alan TP. Okay, congratulations. That's good. Okay, fantastic. All right. So yeah, I think today quite a number of you actually hit your TP. All right. Just before I go live and well, okay. So good. That's very good. That's very good. Okay. So fantastic. Okay. So right now, okay. Just remember that we are not here to chase any profits, but we're just here to make sure that we enter and grab the trade correctly. Money will come in naturally. Okay, so you don't really have to worry about the profits as long as you just keep your trading method correct. Okay, correctly. Okay, trade it correctly. All right. Okay, so yeah, that is very important. So this is something that what we are supposed to do, so that all of us will be able to capture the profit every time when you are trading. Right? Okay, so well, I think majority actually take a profit from pound yen, I guess. Okay, so pound yen is something actually still very good, right? So Flora, I have not hit my TP yet. Okay, you have not hit your TP yet, huh? Okay. So yep, I guess almost, yeah, almost. Okay, that's cool. Okay, very good. I think we should be able to grab this profit. Okay, so the rest I've actually captured their profit. So keep going. Okay, I guess it will still keep going. All right. So yep, just hang on for a little while. I guess it's still good. It's still doing well, doing good. Okay. Yep. Okay, so yeah, just hang on with that. Yeah, I guess we still have a while to go, a little bit to go, right? Okay, so okay, Carol, capture your profit. Yep, that's good. Okay, that's fantastic. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, so I guess this is something that is actually nice. Okay, this is starting. Okay. All right, so congratulations for those who actually capture your profit. All right, so I guess we got to continue. All right, continue with some. Yep. Okay, so yes, let's hang on first. Okay, let's hang on. Let's wait for a little while. Let's see. We are coming in here. Let's wait for the rest to come in as well. Okay. Okay, so yeah. Yes, probably. I think so. Yep. I would say that price. Okay, let me. 273 is very possible. Okay, 273 is very possible. Yep. Okay, 273. Okay. Well done, guys. Okay. 273 is quite possible over here. All right. So I will still say that yes, it's still quite good to go. But just hang on a little bit because we have some news release in about 6 minutes time to go. Right. Okay. Hi, Ano Napala. Nice to see you here. Right. So yes. Can I still enter a trade right now for pound yen? I would suggest no entry right now because since the market has opened for this pound in the London hour right now, I will prefer to wait for a little while. Okay, where things settle down. Okay, then we will see how the market situation goes before we take action. Okay, right. Okay, so yes. For those just join into my YouTube channel, all right. I would like to invite you to give me a thumbs up and like button, smash the like button to show your appreciation for the effort behind the video. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can be here together to discuss about the trade, about your view, all right, and so that we can grab the profit together. Okay, so yes, 273, 162, 273 will be the targeted price that pound yen should be able to reach. Okay, should be reached. All right. Yes. Okay, guys, and also to ring up the bell so that you can get the notification whenever I go live. Okay. Yes, thank you so much. Okay, so since I have already started my live session over here, and before I actually go live, you have most of you have already entered the pound yen according to my earlier on an hour ago. This forex trading plan over there. All right. So yes. All right. Thank you so much. So I wish that more viewers here can grab your profits. Okay. Yes. All right. Basing on this chart, 273, 162, 273. Yes. Let me take a look. All right. Let me take a look over here. 162,273, 162,273 will be around this area. Okay, it should be around this area. So, okay, so let's take a look. 273, all right, about 275 here, right? So roughly. So over at this point, as you can see, from this H4 onwards, you can see that here we have set up a support, and this is a support I drawn out past few days. Okay, so by looking at this over here, the support over here, it built up another higher support. Am I right? So right now I will be looking at this, going to test on the support there. Okay, I'm going to test on this support. So the support over here, it should be around 15 or 10 or 137 or 137. So 273 inclusive of the spread, I guess it's still achievable, right? I guess it's still achievable. So this is something that we can can take a look. All right. Okay. So my TP is 279. Okay. Okay, 279. All right, 279. I guess it's very near. Okay, I guess you should be there. All right, should be about there. Now it's about 30. Okay, so we still have 3 pips to go. All right. Okay. All right. So, how about the rest? Anyone? Any more? Anyone that is actually facing on this 273? Okay, you are 279, right? Okay. All right. Good. Great. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. Really appreciate your time, and really appreciate your care and concern during Monday and Tuesday when I actually lost my voice. I know, not feeling so well. All right, so thank you so much. Okay, so let's see. Okay, for pound yen, we are still pushing down lower. Okay, if this is going to break this support of 162.137, I think this will really go down a little bit more today. Okay, so we have 1 minute to go. Okay, 1 minute to go. Okay, congratulations. All right, congratulations. Okay, you get your TP. All right, 279. Okay, congratulations. Well done. 50 pips as well. Okay, good. Very good. All right. So yes, wonderful. Okay, so very good. Yeah. All right, so well done. Okay. All right, so happy for everybody. Okay, so let's cheers for everyone. Okay. All right. Okay. So yep. Let's move again. Okay. Right now, of course, we know that we are during this hour. Okay. Let's take a look at this hour. We are going to have SMB. Okay, SMB policy rate. Okay. So hang on. No more entry, please. Hang on. All right, please hang on. All right, close shave. Yes, close shave. All right, very good. Okay, yeah. Okay, so just be a little bit mindful. Okay, especially when there's high impact news coming in. Okay, all right. So this is something that we should be also take into consideration. Okay, then we are not supposed to trade. Okay, we're not supposed to trade high impact news. Okay, or enter a trade during the high impact news, because there's a lot of disadvantages for this retail trader. Okay, so just put it that way, that we are here to make a consistency. Okay, consistent profit. So by making consistent profit, okay, we must know that what are the things that we are supposed to do, what are the things that we are not supposed to do. Okay, all right. Example, like chasing a trade. Like example, we have already dropped about 50 pips away, correct, from the entry earlier on was here. Okay, then we have dropped so much already. So if we are going to chase nearer to the support level, I guess it is of course not really very ideal. Okay, so just yeah, just keep it that way. All right. So yes, okay, yeah. Will it go further down? I guess it will. I guess it will go further down because actually my targeted price was actually here. Like say, basing on this support here, we should be going to 161.89.6. Okay, 89.6. So we still have about another 30 pips to go. Yeah, but because basing on my personal philosophy, all right. I will always keep a 25% above, okay, the support. So 25% above the support is about, from the support is about 26 to 28 pips. So yeah, that's why I guess the rest are, yeah, okay, the rest are also grabbing the same. Okay, I guess so. I guess it's about there. All right. Okay, so yeah. All right. So just bear that in mind. So Bradley was saying that I grabbed 75%. Okay, that's pretty good. So you're grabbing the 75%. I guess you're also leaving 25% away from the support. Am I right? Okay. Yes. So yeah, but of course, if it's this, like I say, the support is always like a fire ground over here. The flame is burning up. So if I can feel the heat, I will just exit. Okay, I will just exit. All right. So this is something also very important that we should be able to know. Okay, we are to grab where to stop. Okay, we cannot let our greed take over us. All right. So usually I will do it this way. Okay. Right. I'll do it this way. After we have take our profit. Okay. Come on. Let's recap. Let's recap back why how and where, okay, did we enter the trade. Okay, so to refresh our memory, keep the chart pattern in our memory, so the next round when we are trading, we know what kind of chart pattern that we want, then we can actually shoot in so that we can have a consistent profit. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's recap a little bit here, right? First of all, looking at this pound yen, all right, on the daily chart to determine the trend. Okay, to determine the trend. So by looking at this trend over here, we are still in the downward trend. We are still selling. Okay, we are still selling for the in terms of the first half reading. Okay, first half of the day. That means the euro market opens. Okay, I will mark euro opening as the first. Okay, I because I don't trade the Asian market, right? Okay, so I will put this away. So I will just mark the euro hour as my first half. Okay, first 4 hours will be my first half. So by looking at that point of time, okay, by looking at the first half, which is about 2 hours ago, all right. So MT4 8 o'clock. Okay, MT4 8 o'clock. So and when I start reading my chart at MT4 8 o'clock. So I started to go into the day to determine my trend first. So by then, at that point of time, I was reading it as a downward trend. Okay, so we are still selling. So of course, yes, we are selling, correct. Since we are selling, then I will go down to H4, a smaller time frame. I'm just working on the natural instinct. Okay. So just like a Google map, the satellite, they start to zoom in, from the Earth right down to which country you are from. So I'm going to H4. H4 will be a place that determine my strength. Okay, so the strength of that currency today, how strong will it be, and where is the strength coming along to sell when I determine the trend to be a bear market. All right, so I have determined from the day that pound yen today is going to be selling on the first half. So I'm going to look out for my resistance. Okay, I always want to sell at the resistance. That is a very key thing. Okay, so this is the resistance I plotted out over here, as you can see. Okay, the green and the red candle over here. Okay, over here, this is from a very basic knowledge here. So this is the resistance over here. All right. So I guess this is something good. Okay. And this is what we are also looking out for, so that we can be very clear that we are going to sell. Okay, we are going to sell at this area. Okay, so that whenever when it started to sell down, we will have a good space. Okay, so to sell down, to grab as much profit as possible. So over here, same thing, we have to plot out our support level. So this is the support level that I plotted out. So this support level I plotted out in a way that to tell me, okay, where shall I exit the trade? Where shall I exit the trade? Just before I hit the support, I will exit the trade. Okay, that's my style. Okay, right? Because I'm a very conservative trader. Okay, all right. So yes, so from the look at this, we are having about 135 pips. Okay, 135 pips of space from this area. Okay, within this area. So once again, now H1 will be a time frame that I will be looking out for. Where is the selling cycle going to start? Okay, the selling cycle is going to start somewhere. Am I right? So I want the selling cycle to start at the point of my resistance. I want it to start at the point of my resistance over here. So as you can see, it's escalating since yesterday, and it hits on the resistance and it started to sell down. Correct. By the time it sell down, okay, by the time I start reading, it already started to sell down. So I'm just waiting for the good chance to see if I can have a chance to sell down during this period before it hits on the support. Let's say if I'm going to sell down here, okay, let's say right over here, and if I'm going to get stop out, I will have about maybe about 30 pips, 30 to 40 pips. Okay, after it actually hits, okay, maybe. All right, so if I'm going to sell down, if the price is going to continue to sell down, I will get about 60 pips to 70 pips, which actually will give me a sense of security that I will be able to grab more. All right, so once again, I go down, let's say just make it fast. Okay, go to M5. M5, you see, as you can see, M5 is actually coming in here. Okay, on my system, I have a pink arrow here, aqua cuts below the white line that show me the strength is coming. Right, and just nice is actually also on the resistance area. So on the resistance area, I'll be looking out for selling when there's a lower resistance. A lower resistance usually give me a lower low. So when you see lower resistance giving you a lower low, it's a sign of selling, right? It's a sign of selling. So for this case, right? For this case, I actually entered the price, entered the trade around this area. Okay. Check. Okay. So earlier on, all right. So I get this. This is very good. All right. Pink arrow, aqua cuts the white line, cuts the purple line below. It actually gives me a trigger point down here. So this one I missed. So I went to M5. Okay, I went to M5. So I go to M5 and I started to look for a lower resistance to enter a trade. Like example, this one, this one. Okay, so this one actually give me a very, very secure feeling. Okay, to enter a trade. Why is that so? It's because it seems like it actually have a lower resistance over here, creating a lower low. Okay, at the same time, it's actually giving a double top. So a double top area here that it doesn't break through, then I enter a trade around this area. Okay, so yeah, so this is where we capture a trade. Okay, so yeah, so I hope this one, okay, with this kind of okay. So with this recap, okay, I want everyone to understand when you are trading, don't just happily celebrate your profit taking and forget to do this step. This step is very important. Just before you enter a trade, you have to analyze, you have to study the chart, and when you have entered a trade, you will do up where's your profit taking, where's your stop, correct? Okay. So but after you have profit taking, celebrate? No, don't celebrate too early. Okay. So come back at that point of time. This is the very crucial one. Okay, this is a very crucial one. So okay, this crucial point here is talking about, okay, right, we are supposed to really quickly read through, okay, why we enter this trade and where did we enter this trade and how did we read the chart, so that each time, okay, when you are actually trading on the next trade, the memory will comes in, okay, memories will come in, and memories will bring out the information of what you have seen, how you feel, okay, then the next one you will have, you will know what to do, okay, subconsciously, just like every morning when you wake up, you need to have a cold milk, you need to brush your teeth, correct? So this is subconsciously things that you are doing, correct? So same thing, I want all of you, I hope I'm going to share, okay, sorry to say that I want, okay, I hope everyone will do the same, right? I hope everyone will do the same, that we will be doing this, okay, we'll be doing this for trading as well, okay, so that it will become a part of you, and naturally, okay, naturally you will become, it will become like it's something like it's for yourself, that each time when you are trading, it becomes like it's a must to do. So naturally, when you do it, it enhances your memory of the kind of chart pattern, candlestick pattern that you wish to see, you wish to have, okay. Slowly and naturally, you will realize that this thing actually works. And for the next chart that you are looking out for, you'll find that, hey, this is what I want, and then you will feel so much confidence in entering a chart, a trade. Okay, all right, okay. ICK 你好，今天有空吗？今天可以看直播了哈，是不是？Okay, so yeah, I hope this sharing will help all of you. Okay. Okay, guys. I have just recovered from my throat. Okay, the inflammation. So excuse myself for sometimes I have to excuse myself for drinks. Okay, so I need more fluid into my throat. Okay, yeah. So yes. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay. So yeah. Okay, so this is something here. Okay, right. So yeah. Are we going to look out for something? Okay. Right. Okay. So right now, we just need to wait for a little bit. Okay, so this is something that in this pound yen, I would say that probably we have to wait for a little while, okay, for it to retrace, okay, so that we'll have another chance. So this is something not our liking already. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, let's move on. All right. Okay. Let's move on again. Yeah. Can we? Yeah, pound dollar. Let's take a look at pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar over here. Right. So pound dollar. Let's see pound dollar. Pound dollar is almost the same thing. Pound dollar. We are actually looking out for resistance as well. So earlier on, I plot the resistance here. And over here, we can see that the resistance is actually over this part here, correct? Okay, so in H1, there's a new cycle of selling at the resistance level is the same. Okay, so this is actually, can you see a V shape here? Okay, so the resistance actually comes in here and comes in here. All right, then the new cycles of selling is actually coming in at this point. Okay, so this is actually quite prominent. Okay, very easy to identify. So again, when you come into M5, all right, so this is the resistance level that we have drawn out just now. So this is something that I would say, once it actually gets in, okay, and it comes in, okay, with a lower resistance, that means a lower high here, all right. So probably this is the chance that actually you can take a trade here. Okay, this is where you can take a trade. So rightfully, if you're taking a trade from here to here, you should be around, you should be achieving almost 100 pips of space. Okay, 100 pips of profit. Sorry, not space, because earlier on, when I look at this part here, okay, when I look at this part here, it's actually giving me a feeling of this left shoulder, the inverse head and shoulder. So probably it's actually making up another inverse head and shoulder. So at this time, at this point, I always be more conservative that for such a situation, I place the left shoulder as my support area. So basically, I was looking at from the resistance to the support area, I only have about 80 pips of space that I can capture my profit. Okay, so this is something that I'm looking out for. Well, of course, now if it's exceeding my expectation, well, of course, that is also something good, because once it exceeds my expectation, that means to say one lower low here, one lower low here. So we are moving towards the south, correct? We are moving towards the south. So since we are moving towards the south over here, there will be another good chance for us to sell. Am I right? Okay. So however, let's take a look at this point right here. Okay, until okay, so it should be taking a look at this here. Well, today during the Asia swing, we have about 130 pips. So making up to about 65. We had let's take a look at about 65 here. So it's around, this is where I'm looking out for the 21,232. Okay, 21 somewhere here. All right. So if right now, okay, so I'm just waiting. Okay, I'm just waiting for this to actually comes in. Probably if there's a retest and it's not going back upwards, okay, so probably there will be another selling down opportunity in the second half. Okay, so yeah, that's for pound dollar, pound yen. I guess it's actually over. All right, it's over. So let's go over to my pound cat, where I have actually pick it up, okay, in this pound cat, right? Pound cat over here. Okay, pound cat. Let's take a look at pound cat. What do we have here? Okay, pound cat. Pound cat over here. We are still looking for a selling opportunity. Okay, selling opportunity over here. So as we can see, this is the resistance area. As we can see, the area of value over here, correct? Okay, so this part here. So when we are trading on the selling side here, it has already started selling for quite a while. Okay, and the support is actually pretty near at this point. Okay, but by looking at this pound cat here, the whole of pound cat over here at this point, I would say that we still have some space over at this to break the support. Okay, so I will guess for this, I wanted it to break the support over this part here. Okay, right. So as you can see, it's very defined, whereby the current price actually touches the support and immediately it rejected out. So this is actually where the support is, correct? Okay, the strength of the support is there. So just be very careful. Okay, the strength of the support over there. All right. So yeah. So let's wait for it to break this support with a new resistance below, retesting the support, then continue the selling. Okay. Right. So I guess this is pretty easy, and I think it's pretty clear for pound cat. What are we supposed to do? Okay. So how about euro yen? Let's take a look at euro yen. Okay, euro yen. Well, euro yen over here, okay, it's also another selling through. So Euro Yen, I'll be looking at the breaking of this support level. Seems like it's going to break, and this is my targeted price. Okay, you can see this sky blue color of the box here, the rectangular box here. I drew out as a target, it's my personal target that I see that okay, it should be around here, right? So I want to see that this is where it will start to. Let me take this away. Okay, so here, right? So I would say that Euro Yen, okay, Euro Yen. For me, I will still see it as about 100 pips to go, another 100 pips to go. So right now we are still on selling. We are on the selling mode right now. Okay, because I think the yen is getting very strong. Okay, so yeah, we are still on the selling mode. So tentatively, if I'm going to sell, okay, if I'm going to sell, because right now it seems like it's trying to break through this. Okay, so is there any way that I'm going to start sell somewhere somehow? Okay, so probably this is the one. Okay, the support was here. Okay, right. So let me take a look over here. As we can see, this area, okay, is support here. As of today, we have about one. Oh, this is okay. Okay, so area, okay, yeah. Tentatively, will it still continue the selling? I would say the very likely. Okay, the trend is still selling very strongly. Okay, should we enter a trade right now? I would say that maybe just hang on for a little while. Okay, hang on for a little while first, because I just want to make sure. Okay, I just want to make sure. Now it's trying to break the support over here, this point. Alright, so as we can see, okay, in M5, right now it's trying to break and it's trying to retest the previous support as a resistance right now. Okay, it's trying to retest the previous support as a resistance. So let's see if it's will this resistance be a strong one. Okay, then after that perhaps we can enter for a trade for Euro Yen. Okay, continue the selling. Well, this part of selling, of course, is still very strong. Okay, maybe if we are going to enter like in the middle here, we are chasing, correct? So try not to chase a trade. Okay, try not to chase a trade. So let's wait for another 6 minutes, about 6 minutes to H1 opening, so that we'll be able to tell whether it is going upwards. Then we don't have a chance to trade or we don't have a chance to sell. Okay, like example now like this, okay, it's actually of course no way to sell, right? So still waiting for a good chance to sell, not now, right? Not now. Okay, so yep. Good. Okay. I guess so. I guess this is something that we should be looking out for as well. Okay. Okay, so just guys, give me a minute. Let me have a sip of drinks over here. Okay. Okay. Yes, I'm back. Thank you for your patience. All right. So yes, once again, okay. So Euro Yen is one of the focus over here, but right now we are actually breaking up against into the support area. So this is something that we are still waiting for. Okay. Okay, still waiting. Okay, so just be cool, all right. Yes, this area, let me see whether if currently, if let's say it got rejected down, okay, then the next opening candle, okay, it depends on the closing of candle right now over at this side, because we still have 3 minutes to go. Okay, we have 3 minutes to go, right? 3 minutes to go. Yep, that's right. So hang on first, guys. You just need a little bit of patience. Yes, let's take a look. And now by looking at this part here, right? So another 2 minutes. Yeah, just another 2 minutes, right? So let's see. Okay, if we can actually break through, okay, the support as a resistance. Okay, so right now you can see there's a long wick above is actually is telling us that the prices has been rejected down, so there's a seller up there. Yeah, we can pay attention to this. Well, looks good, fantastic. So it's kind of something for us here. Well, please be very patient, okay, because we still need to be very tactful, okay, because yep, today we have the the Euro group meetings, okay. So anytime something may just be announced. So just be very careful of what's going to happen later on. Okay, right? Okay. So once again, right? Just a gentle reminder: those who are now who are here with us here, watching my live or by the sideline here. Okay. I would like to invite you to smash the like button. All right, and also okay to subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right. So Euro Yen. Euro Yen looks pretty good to enter for a trade right now. Okay, Euro Yen. Okay, right now looks pretty good. Okay, so this one I will capture. Okay, let's okay for Euro Yen. Okay, for Euro Yen. Okay, okay, Euro Yen over here tentatively is looking good. That is actually coming for retesting. Okay, so we can see in over this part here. Okay, we are actually having a rejection. So over at this part here, will it be good to sell now? All right, I will say that it's actually pretty good. Okay, right. How many space that we are looking at? Okay, the space that we are looking at for right now. Okay. I'll be looking at this about. This should have about. We should have about one retesting after one retesting first. Okay, after one retesting first. Okay. So I want the retesting. Okay, I want the retest over right at the bottom here. Can you see? Okay. Right, guys, take a look here. So over here, as we can see for the previous candle over here, this one is a rejection candle. Each one over here, okay, we can see over at this point here, we have been selling down until at this point, okay, we have rejections here. Okay, but this is not a very big one, correct? Okay, so about 11 pips of space that are actually being resist, being supported down there. Okay, so right now, as you can see, the moment the candle opens is actually slightly up on the support. I want it below the support. Okay, not on the support, not above the support. I want it to be below the support. Okay, below the support. Okay, so but of course the previous last 5 minutes candle is actually quite good. Okay, so let's see if this is going to retest the moving resistance over this area to have another rejections. If there are, okay, if there is one, okay, then probably the next M5 candle probably we'll get a chance to sell. Okay, so by looking at the space here, I would say that it's pretty big. Okay, I would say probably by looking at this part here, it should be selling for about 30 pips. Okay, 130. Okay, 30. But not now. Probably now it's going for looking out for a resistance before it can start selling. Okay. Okay, let's put it this way. For example, okay, the resistance was here. Am I right? Okay, the resistance. The resistance. Okay, for example, the resistance is here. Okay, the resistance was here and now coming in this area, correct? So if the price comes back into this area and hits on the area here, started to swing down, okay, then this is one of the opportunity. So this one has already disqualified. Okay, it will still become a support. End of the day, it will still become a support. All right. Yep. Okay. Exactly. Okay, so that will become a support. Correct. That will become a support. Okay, you got it. All right. So at the point of time here, okay. No. This area here. This area. Okay, this area. Okay. Right. So can you see there's a long wick candle over here? Okay, this area here. So the resistance may hit around this area. Okay, so if there's a new selling, then we will have a good chance. Okay, from here to this support, we have about 50 pips of space. 50 pips of space. Okay, 50 pips. Okay, so what if there is a lower resistance? Okay, like now, for example, this is a lower resistance. Am I right? Okay, so probably if this is a lower resistance, then let's wait. Okay, let's wait. And take note of the support level, which is here. From here to here, this will not become a resistance. This will become a support as the candle come down from the sky. Okay, we are hitting on the ground here. Then this may be a support. So you will by then. Okay, right now we should be looking at how many pips are we away from the support. If you only left with about 8 pips, 7 pips, or 5 pips, I think this is not the ideal entry. Okay, I will not see that this is an ideal entry. Okay, so I will rather wait for it to break. Okay, break this support, let it go down first, and after that, wait for the retracement to retest the pullback, to retest the support as a previous support to become a current resistance. Then we will be able to sell. Okay. Yeah. It will take a very long time. Yeah, it will take a very long time. It's better than I take a risk to lose my capital. Okay. Okay, that's my logic. All right. Yep. Okay. So yeah, that's how I feel. Okay. All right. So it doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter because anyway, since we are full-time trader, we can be here Okay, so if we have a chance to take a trade, we take a trade. If we don't have, don't risk. Okay, don't risk yourself into it. Right? Yeah. Okay, so this is something very important. Uh-huh. Okay. I guess so. Hmm. Okay, let's go with this. Yep. This is for Euro Yen. Yeah, this is for Euro Yen. Okay, so let's move. Aussie Yen. How about Aussie Yen? Okay, Aussie Yen. Let's take a look. Aussie Yen today also the same thing. I guess it's already started to sell down. Hmm. Okay, so Aussie Yen over here. Let's take a look from this. I'm looking at the resistance here. This area resistance. Okay. So I guess very likely it's going to come back the resistance. It is continue the selling. Okay, if this is selling around here. Let's wait. Let's wait first. Let's hang on. Okay, because just now the drop. Okay, the big drop. Okay, the big drop from this when the London market opens. So I will see that very likely over here that we will need to have some corrections. Okay, to go right. Well, maybe you can call it corrections. I don't know. All right. So anyway, I will be waiting for it to come on to this point, this price here, so that probably we may have a retracement down here to have another selling. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Pound. What is that? Pound yen now. Okay. Pound yen. Let's take a look at pound yen. Right. Pound yen. Is there another selling chance? Pound yen. What's this? Oh no. Pound yen. Okay. It went too fast. Okay. It went too fast. Okay. Right. It went too fast now. Okay. 30 pips here. Okay. Right. So went too fast. Yeah. Okay. So well, I guess this is something. Right. Okay. You went too fast. All right. So yeah. All right. Congratulations, Bradley. TP or GJ. Okay. Okay, that's good. Hi, Rafi. Did I pronounce your name correctly? Rafi. Right. Okay, welcome into my channel here. So thank you for coming in. We are here to share what we are going to trade, as well as also to trade together to get some profit. All right. Okay, so if you are if you are a trader as well, do join in. All right. Euro yen again. Euro yen after it went back and now it's having another rejections here. Now it started to sell down. Oh, holy. Okay. Well, I'm not sure. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yep. So. Yep. I guess this is something. Okay. Yes. Okay. So let's see what are we looking out for now. Euro yen, we have a very good space, like I just mentioned. I'm looking out for about 30 pips of space from this, or for about 30 pips. Yeah, 3-0. Am I right? Just now we are talking about this, about 3-0. Yep. Okay. So, yep. Okay. So I'm still waiting. All right, still waiting over here. Okay, we're still waiting for the good chance to enter. And over this side, okay, yeah. Right, so this is something that we are looking out for. Okay, I guess this is kind of good. Okay, kind of good over here. Okay, dollar yen. Let's take a look at dollar yen. Dollar yen, I'm waiting for it to sell. Okay, I'm waiting. Yeah, dollar yen is starting to sell down. Good. I'm waiting for it to come into this area. This area. Okay, I want it to break the support here and come into this area. Okay, Alan, TPEJ. Okay, very good. Aiden also TPEJ. Okay. Fantastic. Okay, well done, guys. Okay, so yep. Right. Okay, so over at this side here, for dollar yen, I'm still waiting for it to break the support here and get into this area. Okay, okay, let me shift a little bit. Okay, so getting nearer and nearer. It seems like, yep. Okay, it should be around here. Okay, good. Right, that's good. Okay, this is something that I'm looking out for. Yep. Okay. Okay, cool. So dollar yen, I'm still waiting. All right. Why am I still waiting for dollar yen? Is the reason behind is because, all right, from the bull, it has been running through, and now can you see there's some turbulence here? There's some what do you call this? Sideway. All right, and this area there's a lot of support. It has created a lot of support here. So for in this case, all right, the support over here that has created, okay, that has created over here is the area. It's an area that this one is called a transition. Why do I call that a transition? It's because from the bull, it's going to turn down into a bear. It's going to turn down as a bear market. Okay, it's going to turn down as a bear market now. So when it's going to turn down as a bear market, there will always be a position. Okay, that is a transition. So this area is a transition area whereby anything can happen. You can still continue to go buy, okay, go long, okay, or it may continue. It may come down to turn the bull into the bear. Okay, it can be. All right, it can be. So tentatively, I'm still waiting for this to happen. All right. So pound yen once again. Let's see pound yen. This part here. We can see this is a lower resistance compared to the previous resistance. Am I right? So very likely when the lower resistance actually appears, what is the most likelihood to see? Okay, lower low. Okay, so since that will likely to become a lower low, then that means to say this may become the support over here. Correct? This may become the support over here. So when this support, okay, then I shall wait for a new resistance below, okay, to retest the support as a resistance. Then I will start selling. Okay, so not now. Be patient. Okay, don't rush into it. Okay, if you rush into it, what if it's not breaking the support? It will go up and test the resistance over up here, which is about 40 pips. 40 pips against us. This is terrible. Am I right? So no. All right, no way. Okay, so yep. This is something just for pound yen. For pound yen. This is for pound yen. So yep, pound yen. We are still very near. Okay, about 20. Yeah, pound yen is still about 20. Okay, so just hang on. Right, just hang on. Right. Okay, for euro yen, how about euro yen? Let's take a look. Okay, pound yen, we are very near. Okay, please take note of pound yen as well. Euro yen, let's take a look. Euro yen. Wow, euro yen. This is crazy. Okay, this is very crazy. Okay, yeah, this is so crazy. Yeah. Okay, right. So this one. Okay. Okay. I think fantastic. Let me take a look. Pound yen is still on the way. Euro yen over here, from here to This is about 30 pips, 32 pips already. Okay, hi Trinet, EJTP 30 pips. Oh, congratulations. Well done, well done. Okay. Okay. Wow, I think today is really a very rewarding day. Okay, so great, so good, so good. Okay, very, very good. So let me see. We still have about, okay, we still have about another 70 pips to go. 70. All right, for pound yen. How about pound yen? Pound yen, we are getting very near. We are getting very near to this support level over here. As you can see, my yellow line here, I plotted out as a support here. So this is actually something that we are going to get. Okay, we are going to get this. Right. So, yep. Yes. Okay, Riano. Yes. I just woke up from my sleep and I missed all the gems in the chat. Okay, right. It's okay. I guess perhaps next round. Okay, we still have another round to go. Okay, I guess we still have more to go. Yes. Okay, pound yen. I'm still looking at pound yen for selling because pound yen, as we can see, this is still a downward trend. Lower low over here. Now it's trying to create another lower low. So I guess this is pretty good. Okay, so yep, it's still running on the very cool side. All right, so look. Okay, let me take a look. Okay. Okay, so pound yen is fantastic. Pound yen. Okay, pound yen is fantastic. I guess probably there will be some retracement after that. Okay, once the retracement, it may come back to, now it's testing. Now it's coming back to test on the support here. Okay, there's a support here. Let's take a look. Right. Okay, so we are very near now coming in. Okay. We are coming to test the support over here, correct? Okay, so whatever I pick out here, we haven't talked about Aussie franc. Okay, Aussie franc. Okay, this is something, wow, Aussie franc, is this, am I looking at the correct chart? Am I looking at the correct chart? What am I looking at this? Aussie franc, it actually dropped 150 pips. Okay. So we have been focusing on the pound yen to grab the pound yen profit, euro yen profit. While grabbing all these two profit, we have pound franc to drop this much. Yes, this is crazy. This is really crazy, huh? Okay. Oh, okay. I guess pound franc, we have really missed it so much. Okay, yeah, okay, this is really crazy. This is within how many minutes? Let me take a look. 5 minutes. 5 minutes 110. Okay, 10 minutes 150. About 150. Okay, so yeah, I guess yeah, we have missed this while grabbing profits from EJ and GJ. All right, so Aussie franc. Yeah, Aussie franc is one of my pick. Yes, that's right. Aussie franc is one of my pick. Okay, right. So I guess probably this is something. Okay, this is something we have missed. Then fine, it's okay. Since we have missed this, then we don't chase. Okay, let's not chase. So since that's the case, I'm going to give it a miss. Okay, so no more. Aussie yen. Let's take a look at Aussie yen. Okay, Aussie yen, same thing. We have I'm not sure about this. I guess this is going to be so-called so crazy. Okay, I guess this is so crazy that I don't know. I don't know whether is it good right now. Should I say it is good, or should I say no? Because right now, okay, we have we are trying to run as many, okay, but since we have taken the profit, then I guess this is something that we should be patient. Okay, don't chase after and one another. Okay, that may actually give us a lot of headaches over here. Okay. Yep. Okay, so try not to. All right, try not to. Okay. Yep. So basically, okay, something over here. Okay. Well, since that's the case, okay, I guess I can only say that we are still running very far away. Okay. Yep. Okay. Like Trinette say, it's okay. All right. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. So pound yen. Okay. So euro yen pound. Since you are euro yen, let's take a look at euro yen first. Okay. We are still continue the short. The selling is still going. Okay. Selling is still going. Well. 48 pips already. 48 pips already. So pound yen. Let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen is crazily going down now. Okay, we are testing on the very strong support over here. Also for about 40 pips. We are running around 40 pips as well. Okay. So since you have grabbed your profit today, okay. Okay, so preserve it. I say preserve it. Okay. So let's look out for something really good before we really enter for the second one. Okay. All right. Or your third one, maybe. Yeah, like some Bradley. Okay, your Bradley, your TP or GJ, right? Okay. Okay, so only GJ. So the rest some EJ, some GJ. Okay, never mind. It doesn't matter. Okay, what most important is that today we make a profit now. Okay, so yep. So how about now for pound yen? It is still going crazily. It's still going crazily. So I guess we are breaking through the support here. Okay, so breaking through the support here. So I'm going to very likely we are going to replot my target area. So I would say that my target area has successfully completed. Okay, so we have been selling since the day of 13th of June, right? Okay, 3 days ago. Okay, so yep. So over here, 13th of June until now, the 16th of June, about 2 days ago, 3 days, inclusive of today. So we have completed around 380 pips. Okay, so roughly, okay, estimate. Okay, so yep. And since that's the case, okay, I have to replot my target. Okay, for pound yen. Okay, pound CAD also the same thing. Pound CAD. Okay, okay. So yeah, that's the reason why. Because I'm not touching on this euro pound at the moment. Okay, I'm not touching on euro pound at the moment. Okay, so yep, no. Why is that I don't touch on the euro pound at the moment? The reason behind is because tentatively. The Ukraine war and between the Ukraine war and the Russia war, it badly affected the economy over there. A lot of turbulence, a lot of decision making. So euro and pound is actually right now having a lot of turbulence at the moment. So as a retail trader, I guess there are certain currency pairs and certain situations that we should avoid. Okay, so euro pound will be the one that I'm going to avoid. All right, and also euro franc. Yes, that's right. Euro franc. Okay, so yep, pound yen. Yes, let's take a look at pound yen. I'm still looking at pound yen to break. So right now we are actually moving towards the H4 hours candle opening. All right. Okay. So over here, hi Rafi. Yes. What is your broker? All right, my broker. My broker is actually I have the broker link in the description box. All right, it's under Vantage International. Right, this is something that I choose because I like their service. Okay, especially when it comes to withdrawal, it's very prompt. Okay, and yeah, they are actually going to have more licensing in the more on the financial country, financial zone. So I think this is something that I like about them. Right. So yes. Okay, so over at this point here, okay, by looking at this, all right, by looking at this, you're most welcome, Rafi, right? So over here, okay, over here right now, Pound Yen, okay, we are looking at Pound Yen now. Pound Yen, we are actually into the 4 hours closing, right? 4 hours closing. So 4 hours closing over here, okay. I want to make sure that this H4 candle is actually still maintaining good, right? So that in this case, probably the next H4 hours, probably we will have a better one to sell. Okay, so yeah, just a guide. Okay, it's just a guide, right? So how about Euro Yen? Okay, Euro Yen, right? Euro Yen over here. If not for this Euro Yen, okay, the about this support here, okay, the support level, okay, this is actually pretty good. Okay, Euro Yen, yeah, it's actually pretty good. Okay. Yes. For me. Okay, let's take a look. Today I have about 640. About 640. Yeah, I guess probably you can take a look. Yeah, this is 640. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. It depends. It depends on where did you actually enter the trade. Okay, it depends very much on where did you enter the trade. Okay, so yeah, not much for me today. Okay, so still, this way is still going down for Euro Yen, right? Euro Yen. Okay, right. Like that. Cannot see what? Okay, all right, so my profit. Okay, you have your profit, am I right? Okay, so once again, okay, let me, okay, probably, yeah, this will be clearer. Okay, yeah, I think this is clearer, correct? All right, so yeah, this is somewhere here. Okay, yeah, sorry, I have a message coming in. Yes. Okay, so yeah, this is what we're going to get. This, yeah, I also enter the Pound Yen and also the Euro Yen together with all of you together. Yes. Okay, that's pretty good. All right, what most important, coming back down now here. Okay, we are going to observe more. Okay, we're going to observe more. All right, and see what's a plan later on for the second half of the day. All right. Okay, so yes. All right. Yes, we have some yes, coming along. Pound Yen, we have a retracement. We are coming for a retracement, and Euro Yen as well. Okay, just now I was saying that when we come to this 30 minutes to H4 hours. Okay, so the first session where I actually coming to take this profit analysis on during my first half of the day. My analysis usually for the first half. Okay, so if unless stated there's that particular currencies for second half. Okay, otherwise I will focus very much on what I have, okay, with me, which is below the screen. Okay, which is below the screen here. All right, covering my face. Okay, this whole stretch. Okay, this whole stretch. These are the currency pairs that I'm actually focusing to sell. Okay, so once again, all right, if this half an hour, okay, if this half an hour of H4 going to open, okay, this is what we are going to do. This is something that what we are going to do over here, all right? And over at this point, okay, over at this point here, we are actually now going into a situation whereby H4 is going to open a new candle. So when H4 is going to open up a new candle, all right, this may also be something that giving us a chance, okay, or giving us a signal that will it continue the selling or it will stop the selling and started to retrace outwards to have a pullback or a reversal, right? So it's very important for us to know, okay, to take note about this H4 opening. H4 opening is very crucial. Every H4 opening to me is a very crucial time frame, okay, in order to grab the profit, all right, or to have a plan for the next session. That is very important. Okay, so yep, that's right. Okay, yep, that's right. Okay, guys, yes. So over here, okay, since earlier on we have already captured our profits, okay, for the pound yen, euro yen, some are getting Aussie yen, all right, but we all miss the Aussie franc. All right, never mind. Okay, it's pretty fine. Okay, what's meant to be missed is to be missed. Okay, but you cannot miss my channel. Okay, all right. That's a cold joke for you, all right? Lousy joke, I know. Okay, so, well, anyway, H4. Let's talk about H4. Okay, H4 is important over here. Why is that so? It's because, okay, H4 over here, okay, H4 over here, it basically, okay, what is going to have is that it depends on how the candle close right now. For example, for Euro Yen, okay, for Euro Yen, I still looking out for about another 52 pips to go, just like my Pound Yen. Okay, my Pound Yen in the H4. Okay, I have H4. Okay, my H4 over here. I have draw out this particular box as my target. So grabbing this area of grabbing a profit within this area is pretty safe. Okay. So this is how I work it out. So right now it's actually exceeding my expectation. Okay, moving downwards to actually going for another support. Okay, so this is something, right? So this is something that we are looking out for. Yes. Okay, so yep, that is what I'm looking out for as well. Okay, so over here, currently at this moment, okay, over here at this moment, okay, I'm actually looking out for things like this. Okay, sorry guys, give me a minute. Okay, well, let me explain. Let me finish this explanation, then I will reply your message. Okay. So at this moment, okay, we are now looking at, I'm now quite concerned about the H4, okay, the H4 candle, right? The H4 candle will tell me whether should I continue the selling, okay, continue the selling, right? So if not, I will give it a pause for the day, right? So it depends. And right now, of course, this is a very big selling, am I right? So this is a very big selling over here. So tentatively, by looking at this very big selling situation here, okay, I'll be quite not very keen in selling it anymore. Okay, not very keen in selling it anymore, right? Why is that so? First thing first. Okay, first thing first. Later on, from now we still have about 2.5 hours that pound. Okay, our pound is going to have an MPC official bank rates, correct? The votings. Okay, so another one is we also have this monetary policy summary, official bank rate. So all these are very high. All these are considered high impact news. So right now, I do not know whether is this a sum of trading in the market that actually induce a lot of seller in, and later on we'll really go reverse. Okay, we'll go the other way. So I will prefer to keep my profit. So the next session, okay, will that be a big selling closing down to show me the selling is still persist on? Then I will continue the selling, right? Or will it get rejected? Okay, will it get rejected with a very long wick below, like example like this? Okay, maybe it will get retracted. Okay, the candle get retracted up. Probably that shows that buyers are actually waiting down here, okay, to push the price upwards. So in this case, H4 to me is very important. That's why whenever I come near to H4 opening, especially last 30 minutes, okay, like now, okay, I will be very concerned about how the H4 candle closes, okay, and it will depend. It will also give me the confidence. I would say the confidence. Okay, guys, give me a while. Let me have a sip of drinks. Okay. Yep. Okay. Thank you for your patience. And right. So over here, let's see. For this case, selling is very strong. Okay, selling is very strong. Okay, and over at this part here, okay, this is something that telling us that for the past 4 hours, the selling is strong. So if the full candle, the body is full, okay, that means there's no wick below, okay, then probably we will see that the next candle opening, there may be still a chance to go down to another lower support. The support I'm plotting out here, okay, it may still go down to a lower support, for example, in this area, okay, in this area of support, okay, this area of support, so that once it hits on the area of support, it may start to reverse. Okay, so this is something that we have to take into consideration. All right. Okay. So on the other hand, usually H4. Okay. When let's take a look at the Euro Yen. Okay. Since we're going to talk about H4 candle. Okay. So for this case over here, like this. Okay. Euro Yen is actually, there's one support over here. So when this support, okay, over here, okay, this support over here, it breaks the support, right? It breaks the support. So, but the candle has not closed. We cannot assume that, okay, the support has it has broken, then now I'm going to shift down to a lower support, which is around this area, the yellow line here, the yellow bow line here. Okay, so I just put slightly above, okay. So we are expecting it to come to this support, to test the support, which is not in the way that which is not in a way that it should be like that. What if the candle closed? What if the candle retracted and closed above the previous support? This support. Okay, this support. What if the candle retracted and go up? Okay, and close above the support. So it also shows that there's at this price there are buyers waiting for you. Okay, when you reach this price, the buyers start to come in, and then it started to push back. Who knows? It pushed back to the previous support, then become a buy. The chances of becoming a buy is very high. So in that case, I guess probably just be very patient. Okay, for this last 30 minutes. Okay, then we will wait for the next H4 candle time frame to open and see and read and observe what is the current H4 candle closes, what is the kind of candle pattern is like, okay, where it closed, okay, how it closed is very important. Okay, so this all these are little factors that we should take into consideration in order to have a good trading. Okay, to have a good planning on the next session. Right. Okay. Right. So guys, once again, would you like to give me a 5 minutes? Okay, a 5 minutes break while I can go to the gents. Okay, and while waiting for me, all right. So remember to smash the like button to show your appreciation for the effort here. Okay, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can share our views in trading. Okay, your knowledge so that we can take profit together. Right. At the same time, bring up the bell so that you can receive the notification. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll be back shortly. Okay, just give me 5 minutes will do. I'll quickly run there and come back. As you know, as people follow me, my office toilet is very far away from my office. Okay, thank you so much, guys. See you in a short while. All right, guys, I'm back here with you. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Okay. So thank you for your patience. Thank you very much. We have about 6 minutes to go. Right. 6 minutes to go. And probably let's watch what's the next 4-hour session will be like. Okay. And let's take a look at what we do have in Euro Yen so far. Okay. During my toilet break. Okay. So yes, right. Thank you for coming in. All right. Oh, so cold. All right. Ooh, all right. It's freezing cold, man. All right. Right. Okay. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming in to my channel here. All right. We are here to share. Okay. And if you have any views, okay, about any currency pairs, do voice out. Okay. Well, pound yen. Let's take a look at pound yen. It's looking like we have a chance to enter for a trade right now. Okay, let's see what do we have. We have 5 minutes to go. Where the H4 is going to open. Well, usually like this. Okay, this one. This is the one of the entry point that we're looking out for. Yeah, this is one of the entry point that we're looking out for. However, before you take a trade, always take note of where is the support level. Okay, always take note of your support level. Why do I say that I want to take a look at where is the support level? Reason behind is that, okay, I want to see if I have enough space for me to continue the selling. Okay, all right. So for example, okay, we can take a look here. Let's say, okay, this may be the support level that I'm looking out for. Okay. This is a support level. So can you see right now we are on the support level? Okay, so near, am I right? So for example, we have a lower low, a lower low, and now swinging up with a lower highs here. If we are going to enter a trade over here, okay, we are going to get this, and now over to here, we are left with about 30 pips of space, right? Screen is frozen. Hi Carol, the screen is frozen. Oh, yeah. How come the screen is frozen? Okay, give me a minute. All right, give me a minute. Let me check what's going on. Okay. Is it okay right now? Okay, good. Thank you so much, Carol. Thank you very much. Okay, so let me rewind a little bit. Okay, so as we can see, this is actually in the trending market. Am I right? In the time frame of M5, we can see a lower low creating a lower high here. Creating after the lower high, this is creating another lower low, another lower highs coming again. So usually over at this point, okay. Thank you, Carol. Thank you so much. So sort out where is the support level. The support level is here. Then before I take a trade, all right, before I take a trade, usually I will try to measure down from the entry that I intended to enter for a trade to the support level. And I will see usually how many pips are there. How many pips are there for me to take? Like example, if I'm going to take a trade over here after the engulfing candle surfaced, and I want to take a trade here, for example, and I measure down, let's say it's 30 pips. Okay, so that means to say from the support, my philosophy, once again, the support is a burning ground, it's a fire ground. The flame is burning up. Okay, so usually I will leave a 25% from the support as a buffer. So assuming we have 30 pips, 25% is about 7 pips. Right, about 7 pips. All right, so 9 pips. Okay, about there. Okay, so usually I will not take 30 pips. I will take about 15, 18, or 20. Okay, 15, 18, or 20, but not the full 30. Okay, I will not take the full 30. Of course, there will be time that there are firemen actually bring the candle down right to the ground and break the support. Am I right? I have missed some profit, but to me, I think it's fine. Okay, just to be conservative, to be sure that we are able to grab the profit. Okay, so that for that particular entry. So normally I will try to give a 25% buffer, okay, from the support. So 30 pips, 20 will be 6, and 5 will be maybe another 2 or 3 pips about there. All right, so I try to get about 20 or 15 or 18. Okay, so it depends on the space availability. Then I will decide my profit taking. Okay, so usually when it comes down, when it on the way down to test the support, I have already grabbed my profits even before it tests the support. Okay, sometimes, okay, why do I have this buffer? Okay, why do I have this buffer? Okay, sometimes as you can see, the price movement is so fast that it went down, and there are spread as well. So if the spread is not cleared, it will just get rejected so fast, and I miss the opportunity of taking profit. So I came up with this 25% rules, okay, so that I can grab my profits in a very conservative way. Okay, so yes, that is something. That I just like to share with everyone. Okay, so that hopefully it helps you. Okay, so yep. Now new H4 candle has opened. Okay, so let's take a look at GJ. Okay, pound yen first. Oh yeah, pound dollar. You have taken your pound dollar profit as well. So let's see. Okay, so earlier on pound dollar. Okay, someone grabbed the profit here, but sorry, I couldn't remember who is that. Okay, okay. So let's see. So pound dollar, after we grabbed the profits, the very next hour it went up. So you see, after the H4 closed, and you see this H4 is not as beautiful as what we thought earlier on. It just came down. It's a very full candle of selling, but now it got retracted up, become a hammer. So pound dollar, I would say that tentatively it is not very ideal to continue the selling anymore. All right. So let's take a look at this pound yen. Okay, pound yen selling. The selling candle, the volume is still very strong with a little bit of rejections, okay, over from the support, which is still quite okay, still good. However, the candle opens above the support level. So taking into consideration, it is still good. I would say probably, okay, so we need to go down to a lower time frame. For me, okay, I will go down to a lower time frame to check, okay, whether in the next few hours will it tends to close the candle first below the support area, and then for the next 2 hours you can go back and retest. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit more to make it bigger. Okay, so the next 2 hours maybe we'll come back, retest the previous support as a resistance. Then without breaking this, it swing down with a new cycle of selling. When I say new cycle of selling, it also means maybe it swing down, then we have 1 hour of green candle, and green candle touches the previous support and started for the next hour to come up with a green, closing green, open red. There's a new cycle, a sign of new cycle selling. Like example this, okay, like this, okay, example like this, right? So this is something that I'm looking out for, but it's below the support area, okay, below the support area. So when that happens, okay, very likely I will be looking out for another selling opportunity. Okay, all right. So tentatively, pound yen, I will say that it's pretty good. Okay, but then again, we need to observe for the next 2 hours to see whether is there any selling opportunity. Okay, all right. Okay, so that's for pound yen. All right, pound yen. So according to my picks here, pound cat, let's go backwards. Okay, pound cat. So pound cat, same thing. Pound cat, earlier on for the last 2 hours here, we actually have a good selling here. After that, it hits on the support level. Can you see the support level here? This is support area, and it started to get rejected. Then the last hour started to form up another support, buy. Okay, so yeah, that is something that we are supposed to take note. Okay, take note of it, and so that we will not fall into the trap. Right. So over at this point, now if H4 if H4 right now, this candle is going to open up this way, will it consider as a good candle for us to continue the selling? I would say that probably yes, probably no. You know, now there's a red candle. Is it good to sell now? You know, but not forgetting that we have tested the support here and built out a new support with this two rejected candle over here. In general, it is not very supportive to sell. Okay, it's not very supportive to sell. So in this case, I would say that very likely I will not take into consideration for selling right now. Okay, right. So yeah, right. Okay, how come there are people who cannot hear me? Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. All right. Good. You can hear me now. Okay, that's good. So for Powcat, tentatively, okay, we looking at this H4 candle. H4 candle, it actually come up with a hammer like this. Also, you know, well, is it good to sell right now? I'm not very supportive towards this selling because right now, not now. Okay, perhaps another 1 or 2 hours later on, it may be good. Okay, so yeah, so we still have to observe for a little while, right? Okay, that's good. Good. Okay, so yep. Our yen is still selling downwards. Okay, I think that's good. Then we have a shorter time to wait. Okay, so let's wait for it to actually continue the selling. Okay, so perhaps on the next 2 hours it may start to retrace upwards to retest. Okay, to retest this support as a previous resistance, as a previous support become a support resistance right now. Okay. Okay. Sorry, let me have a sip. Well, I just recovered from my sore throat, so I seek your understanding for this. I need to stop for quite a few times for a sip of water. Okay, so now come back here. So yeah, let's wait for this. Okay, this support is still valid. Okay, because right now the candle, when the candle is actually passing through this support, when the candle is not, it doesn't mean that it's a rook. Okay, not yet. Okay, so just be patient. All right, we just need to be a little bit patient. Okay, when I miss the opportunity, okay, for me, I would rather miss the opportunity than to lose my money. Okay. All right. Okay. So yeah, perhaps it will just zoom down for another 30 pips, 50 pips. Okay, I just take it as a miss. So no choice. Am I right? Okay. So however, if we come back, if it's still in the very strong selling, okay, we just need to wait for M5. Okay, once again, if you can see into M5 candle, M5 time frame, lower resistance, a lower high, creating a lower low, lower high, creating a lower low. Am I right? So I'll be waiting for a pullback. I will be waiting for a pullback to form another lower high. Then I will start selling from there. That will be another chance. Okay, that will be another chance for us. So Pound Yen, yes, Pound Yen. Okay, Pound Yen over here from here to here. Okay, I guess now 40 pips. I guess I believe there is somebody who already entered the trade over this part here. Okay, so I'm not surprising. Okay, not surprising. Okay, for people who are already very well versed with trading with all these trending market. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Right. So right now I'm waiting for the pullback. Okay. Okay. So this pullback will be, I think I'm probably waiting for this pullback to come in to retest the previous support as a resistance. All right. Okay. Okay. So just hang on. All right. Bradley, yeah, me going for 60 pips. 60 pips. Okay. 60 pips. Right now, how many pips? I don't know. I don't know where. Okay, so I don't know where did you enter. Well, okay, right, okay, okay. So just let me know. All right. Okay, so let's see. Another 22 to go. Okay, that's good. Another 22 to go. Okay, so yeah, I hope yeah, you may, yeah, got it. All right, that's pretty nice. Okay, so after this support, okay, previously, I think yesterday I was talking about this. Okay, let me zoom down. Okay, after this support level for pound yen, okay, if there's another new swing, okay, another new swing from the H1, that means a new selling cycle. When it pull back, okay, that means when I have a pullback retest, okay, then very likely I'm going to look out for a trade over here, which support level maybe I'll be looking out for the support around, yeah, around this area. Okay, so which is another very big space, another 200 pips. Okay, there are another 200 pips to go. Very likely, very likely. Let me put this down. Since this blue box is my targeted profitable area, so I'm going to realign it again. Okay, this area from this to this. Yes, so we still have this to go. Okay, this area to go. Of course, when I say this area to go, it doesn't mean that one single trade, and it will just zoom down all the way. Perhaps it will, and that will be a bonus. Okay, but of course there will be times like, you know, there are some pullbacks. You know, there is some pullbacks for maybe 1 or 2 days. Then later it will continue to selling. Okay, so I would say that for this, probably for the next few days, we can pay attention to this pound yen. Okay, that is also good to sell for this case. Okay, so now it's breaking out of this support area that I just I drew here. Okay, so we have collected about, since here we have collected about 350, correct, around there, 350, correct. So 350 pips. So yeah, taking into consideration with this 350, okay, we are, well, okay, pound yen has dropped by 1.14%. Okay, so over here we may have another chance to continue the selling, right? So this is a targeted area that I'm looking out for once again. Okay, so yep. And of course, this may change accordingly. Okay, may change accordingly towards the movement. Okay, so just be sure that we are also in the correct trend. All right. Hi, Mei Mei, ni hao. Hi, Mei Mei. Hello. Okay, so nice to see you here. All right. So right now, over here, pound yen, I'm waiting for a pullback in H1, all right, to retest the support before I go for another round. Okay, right. Let me see. For me, yeah, I actually grabbed the opportunity earlier on this in this area. So some actually grabbed the opportunity here. Okay, so now Bradley is actually grabbing another opportunity here. All right, Bradley. I hope Bradley already. Bradley, are you still with me? Okay. Right. So let's see. Bradley, are you still here with me? Oh, you TP. Okay. All right, another 60 pips. Congratulations. So just now earlier on, I remember you have 50, and now you're 60. Today you grab 110. Oh, that's fantastic. 110 pips, huh? Okay. All right. So very well done. Very well done. Okay. So, okay. Good. Okay. Okay. So, yep. Let's continue again. Let's see for, so pound yen, this is my plan. Okay. So just bear in mind that right now we are into another segment. Okay. We're in another segment of this range here. So I would like to really, I would like to actually, this is my target. Okay, so that's that. Is it going to go down more? Do I pronounce your name as Abdirahman Mohammed? All right, I hope I pronounce it correctly. Let me know. All right. For pound yen, okay, for pound yen, yes, I will see that it will still continue the selling. Okay, at the moment, it is still on the selling trend. Okay, so but of course, you have to find the correct entry point. All right, so doesn't mean that now you're going to enter for a trade and chase it. Do not enter any trade right now to chase. Okay, this is dangerous. Okay, this is dangerous. Okay, alright, Trends United. Right, how about dollar yen? Okay, let's talk about dollar yen. Okay, so pound yen, please don't chase now. Please don't chase it now, huh? Okay, let's wait for the pullback. Let's wait for a pullback. Okay. Oh my God, dollar yen. Oh yes, dollar yen is entering into my zone here. Oh, just now I was talking about it and it's now actually coming in. Oh, so sorry guys, I actually overlooked this. I think this is the time where I went for my toilet break. Okay, so yeah, let's come back here. Dollar yen. Now we are on the selling mode already. Okay, so dollar yen. Let's take a look. We are in the selling mode. This is my target. Okay, this is my target. All right. So this range of the sky blue area boxes here. Okay, this box here is my target. However, okay, this is not really, is it a good time for us to sell now? Have to check. All right. Okay, 193 pips on BTC shorting for Carol. Okay, BTC. Oh, good. Well done. I'm waiting. Okay, I'm waiting for 19. Okay, to be honest, I'm waiting for about 18 or 19. Okay, 18,000 or 19,000. Yeah, all right. So later we come back to that later on. Okay. So over here, let's talk about dollar yen. Dollar yen, yeah, we are now on the selling mode right now. Okay, it's looking pretty good over here. But I'm also waiting for a pullback. Okay, I'm waiting for a pullback. Yeah, that's level on 19. Good. So we are on the right path, on the right mind stream here. Okay, so dollar yen. Okay, as for dollar yen, tentatively, okay, we are still on the selling mode. Am I right? Yes, we are still on the selling mode. It's still going very, very aggressive. And right now, I'll be looking at this support. Let's take a look at where's the support level. Okay. One here. Check. Okay, so I have about dollar yen. We have about 34. Okay, 34. It's falling without us. Exactly. I feel the pain. Oh my. I should have hold my bladder. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. So this is something okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So we are left with about 34. So it's pretty near to the support level. Okay. So I think 34 pips, 30 to 34 pips of dollar yen, and it's going to meet up with this support. Okay, right. So I guess let's wait for the pullback. Okay, let's wait for a pullback. I think unless you are very confident to scalp the number of pips within the 30, okay, then I guess that will be a good choice. Okay, but of course right now no. Okay, a minor support in H1 time frame. Yes, you are correct. Okay, we can see that there's a minor support over here in this area here. All right, so I would prefer to wait for a little while. The dollar yen has plummeted. Okay, there's a plummet now. So plummet in I think about about 1%. Yeah, maybe about 1%. Okay, mental calculation estimated. Okay, about 1%. All right. So we have about 30 pips minor support to meet the minor support here. So I guess probably it is not really a good time yet, huh? Okay, guys. All right. Japanese pairs all drop very hard. See market give us chance or not? Okay. When May has mentioned this, okay, but please take note, okay. Usually when this actually comes in the selling, okay, so harshly, usually I won't chase. Okay, usually I won't chase unless it's giving us a last chance or enough space to go for what we are seeking out. Okay, then probably still able to. Okay, but then again, okay, we have to be very careful and to be exact. We have to be very careful with all the support. Okay, coming along. All right. For example, tentatively by looking at this, I have the support over here, or pound yen. Yes, which is we have about another 60. Okay. Right. Also, there is a dollar news in 1 hour 40 minutes from now. I hope. Yeah, that's right. Correct. So if there's a news, yeah, actually right now I am more concerned about the news about, yeah, like Trends United was mentioned. Okay, just mentioned. So this is something that I also quite concerned about it. What if? Okay, what if something that announced and in favor or with all these currency pairs, and it was just simply boom to the moon, and we do not know where to go. Okay, so for Euro Yen, okay, for Euro Yen, okay, Euro Yen over here. Let's take a look at Euro Yen. What's the H4 is behaving right now? Euro Yen once again completed my mission over here, my expectation. Okay, it's pound news, pound news. Yeah, correct. It's the pound news. Okay, the pound news about the MPC. Okay, and also the monetary policy summary. Okay, so yeah, just take note about that. So right now, Euro Yen has already completed my target. So we have actually start trading from this area. A swing here, another swing down of estimate about 300 pips. Okay, will be another 300 pips. All right. Okay, Erica, Lisa, nice to see you here. May I know where you're from? Do you think the news will affect pound yen continue the selling? I would say that I would say, okay, whether the news is going to affect the pound yen. Okay, I'm not going to talk about my forecast or my prediction. Okay, right now, if we are looking at selling of this pound yen, all right. Oh, you're from Dubai. Oh, nice place. Okay, this is a place that I wish to visit. I visited once many years ago. I want to go back again to see if there's a very big changes, how beautiful the city is going to be. All right, anyway, come back here. All right, do you think the news will affect the pound yen selling? I would say that tentatively by looking at the situation now, okay, pound yen selling, I would say the news will more or less affect a pullback. I'm expecting to see a pullback when the news come. Okay, I'm expecting to see a pullback when the news come. Okay, that's my personal, my 2 cents count. Okay, so basically, to what I see right now, it seems like the pound. Okay, let me go to pound yen chart. Okay, so that probably the explanation will be much clearer. I would say that the pound right here, we have a area of value over here. Can you see? Okay, this area. Okay, when you see from far left all the way to this area here. Okay, right now, I would say that pound is actually looking out for a very strong support. Pound is looking out for a low price, okay, to enter, to have to recover their losses. As you can see, pound yen is actually having a losses against the yen. Am I right? Okay, over here. So from this case, from this situation over here, I would say that it's actually pound yen is actually looking for a very firm foundation to rebound. Okay, to rebound. So whether it's a rebound or it's a pullback, we do not know. Okay, I don't know, but by to what I have read about the monetary policy summary, I have not read it. I mean some research. Okay, I'm expecting to see a pullback. Okay, I'm expecting to see a pullback, or whether it will break the support, this previous support, back up to the support area. In this area. Okay, let me zoom in. Okay, so I'm expecting to see a pullback. If this pound yen can break out into the support area, then probably it will be a reversal. Okay, probably. Okay, so but a pullback is very highly likely. Okay, this is something that I'm looking at. Okay, so my personal 2 cents count. Okay, so but once again, do not enter a trade. Do not enter a trade during the time of the news going to release. Okay, that is very, very bad. Okay, do not do that, huh? Okay, so yes, right. So I would say that right now we can we still have a little bit of time, about 1.5 hour, for 1.5 hour. Right, for pound yen, if there's any opportunity, we still have some time to grab a little bit. Okay, to grab a little bit from pound yen. Okay, so example like now. Okay, example like now. Okay, this is the support level where it retrace to retest the support and it's not breaking. Now it's coming back, green and red candle coming back to sell right now. Okay, so if there's the next M5 candle, if there's any engulfing candle, all right, I guess probably we can grab some. Okay, yeah, but just take note. Okay, just take note of this. Because of the pullback here, as you can see, this is one wave, another wave. All right, and now this part here, it seems like there's no exact wave here, so be very careful. Okay, so yeah, pound yen, probably that may be the last few entry for us, and that's for pound yen. Okay, that's for pound yen. Okay, so where is the support? After this, it's actually quite low, I would say. This is right part here. Actually, we are pretty near. Okay, actually we are pretty near here. Okay, yeah, so just take note. Okay, just be very careful with this. Okay, dollar yen hits our first TP without pulling back. Congratulations, trends. Okay, so yeah, it's getting near. We are closing up the 30 pips to only, we are left with 12. We are left with 12 pips. We are left with 12 pips. Okay, we are pretty near. Okay, so trends manage to grab your profit before it hits the support. Okay, so yeah, if it's not breaking the support, then I think it's good to pull out your profits, huh? Okay, as we can see the cycle of the day, okay, over here. So I will anyway, I'm expecting to see another reversal on the during the US hour. Okay, so probably this we have a last 1 hour or so to grab this much. Okay, after that, stay cool. Okay, stay cool. Okay, leave your keyboard away. Okay, leave your MT4. All right, leave your MT4 alone. Right, so that we will not fall into the trap. Okay. Okay, so another one. Just now we are talking about pound yen, euro yen. Okay, let's take the euro yen. Okay, euro yen once again exceeded my expectation for my profits. Completed my profits here, my targets over here. So just now we are talking about this, right? How many pips? 300. No, we have completed 280 pips, but it went beyond. All right, it went beyond 280 to, well, anyway, 280, and this is 3, 4, about 80 pips more. Okay, so let's watch out for this another support level that we are pretty near to. Okay, so we are trying to break this current support over here. We are trying to break the current support over here. So there's another minor support over here. Let's see, am I right? Yes, that's correct. Okay, so yeah, that's the one. Okay, so the other support will be standing at about 137, 167. So we still have a very good space to go, huh? Or euro yen. For euro yen, we still have a very good space to go. Yes. Okay, euro yen, we still have very good space to go. Yep. Okay, so euro yen. Okay, you can pay attention to that. Euro yen. Let's wait for another trending. Okay, I think it's also coming very soon. Okay. AJ, Aussie yen. Aussie yen is at support now on 1 hour time frame. Yes, correct. Okay, correct. Okay, let's take a look. Aussie yen. Okay, Aussie yen, let's take a look. Aussie yen H1. Oh, yes. Yes, that's right. Perfect. Thank you, Trans United. Would point out over here, correct? Okay, that's good. Okay, so Aussie yen, no. Okay, for pound yen, come back to pound yen. Okay, pound yen, all right. Pound yen. Let's take a look at pound yen. Where's pound yen? Pound yen. Bradley enter again. Wow. They've entered quite a lot of trade today, huh? Alright. Okay. Right. Let's see over here. Yeah. Ooh. Hey. Give me a minute. I think that's going to have a swing down, a very harsh swing down. For some currency pairs and now. Don't overtrade too much. Don't overtrade too much. Yeah, that's right. It may hurt yourself like catching a falling knife. Exactly. Well, Bradley, you have already captured these 110 pips today. I guess about that, right? So I guess it should be more or less enough. All right. Okay. So pound yen. Okay. Pound yen. Let's see, pound yen. Okay. Right, pound yen. No, pound yen. Like I say over here. Okay. Usually, okay, when I'm going to take a look at this part here. Okay. There's one swing. Hey, hello. Why is this box doing here? Okay, and Hey, what's wrong with my MT4? Okay. Hi, Erica. There's no stupid question. Okay, so every question worth a cent. Okay, okay. How do you know you are over trading even when you don't have losses? Okay. When we talk about over trading, okay, it's about first, taking your lot size versus your account balance. Okay, lot size versus your account balance. All right. If you have $1,000 account and you are trading one lot, of course that is very bad. Okay, that's very bad. All right. Okay. So yep. Right. So over trading, it also means that if you're entering a few trades, okay. So if you are taking like say 5 or 10 trades at the same time, you know, when it's still floating, well, that may cause over trading as well. Okay, so try not to. Okay, try not to. Okay, so yeah, this is something that we should be cautious about. Okay, and not to over trade your pot. This is very important. Okay, don't over trade. Usually what I do is that I will enter a trade. Okay, when I enter a trade, I will make sure I take a profit for that particular trade. When I take a profit, then I will enter for the second trade. Okay, so that will actually minimize the chance that I will overtrade myself. Okay, all right. Okay, so even you don't have, even you have losses, or it doesn't matter whether you have losses or you have profit. Okay, let's put it this way: if you have losses, you're overtrade. That means you are risking your pot. If you have profit and you still overtrade, you still go on trading a lot of trades at the same time at one go, you are actually risking your profit. Am I right? So learn to keep the profit. Learn to keep your profit. Okay. Yep. Okay. So just now I was saying, okay, for euro, so pound yen, can you see this wave? Okay, it swing up to create a lower high, come down for a lower low. It swing one way for a lower high and come down for a lower low. But look carefully over here. There's no swing. There's no swing. So I will say that the strength from the seller or the volume, okay, it actually pushes down up to here and it's still struggling. Can you see red candle, selling candle, buying candle, selling candle, buying candle, right? This is a sign of struggling. Okay, this is a sign of struggling. So I usually, this is not a swing. A swing will be like this. A swing will be like this. You know, a flag, right? A flag, FLAG, flag. Okay, right. So how should I say? I'm not sure if should I. Okay, this swing, okay, this swing is a sign of like there are buyers actually coming in to push, correct? The buyers wish to change the trend, but unfortunately they failed, correct? So next round, another swing. So they failed the mission. So the seller is still very strong. The sellers are still very strong to continue the selling. But when it comes to this part here, you are selling, you are buying, you're selling, you're buying. So that means the buyer and sellers they are fighting. Okay. Okay, they are fighting. All right. So this is important. Okay. So this is something for us to take note that okay. So that we know that this is quite struggling. Will there be a change? Will there be a change? Okay, this is something that we want to look out for. Okay, for example, one swing, come down, one swing, it came down, right? So right now you see seller, buyer, seller, buyer, seller, buyer. So I zoom in a little bit more for this part. So as you can see, if I zoom in, you can see that this is still running low, but until here, can you see it's just like an airplane landing? It's like a landing, correct? It's like a landing. So of course, we still have a chance that it will still go down. Am I right? But you see, it's actually landing over here. So so this landing may be the change of trend, maybe the change of a trend to have a pullback. Okay, then it will look out for another higher resistance. For example, like this area here. Okay, or this area here. That may be over 100 over pips, I guess. Yeah, 150 pips. You know. So we do not want to take such risk. Okay, so this is very important. So there are certain things that we can take note, okay, to avoid being trapped in the market. Like this is a pullback. Okay, very nice. It's coming down, higher, lower highs coming down, but now it is not. Despite with this candle over here, we have a hammer right now. Okay, so this is like a hammer. So this hammer is actually now pushing up. But before the hammer appears, you look at these few candles, it's actually very struggling at the support area. So it looks like a landing. Okay, the selling has landed, so going to take off for a bull or a pullback. So instead of falling into the trap of this pullback, once I see this without things like this, okay, I won't enter a trade like this. Okay, I won't enter a trade like this. Okay, so this is something very important that we must learn to see, observe first. What most important is our patience. Okay, our discipline. Pull back. Okay, hold back. Okay, hold back ourselves. Okay, before we actually go into a trade, when we see a struggling candle, selling, buying, and it's like a landing. Okay, so this is something that I want all of you to take a look. Okay, all right. So there may be another selling cycle. Cycle again. There may be, but we do not know whether it will be or it will not. Once I see there's a struggling here, I will stop for a while and take a look later on. Okay, I will not just jump into a trade immediately. Okay, so this is important for me. All right. So I hope a lot of times as traders over here, we will be happily selling down from here, happily selling down with a lower resistance, okay, lower high, which I permit in the layman terms of a lower resistance, going down to a lower low, coming back, a pullback for lower highs, and go back for a lower low, lower high, lower low. We were just so overwhelmed by the profits to the extent this is where the market is going to trap us. So each time when I see things like this, okay, a struggling stage like this here, I will pull back. I pull back myself. Okay, it seems like a landing over here. So when seems like there's a landing over here, it's not going to be beneficial for us to enter a selling trade by then. Okay. There are questions like this from Germany. Okay, so can I actually put in a trade for a buy to trade on the pullbacks? Personally for myself, when I look at the trend is in the selling trend. I will not trade a pullback. I won't trade a pullback because you see, I will always hold a mindset in a way that if I'm going to sell this particular currency, for example pound yen, okay, when there's a pullback, okay, I will stop trading. Okay, I will take a 15 minutes break, come back, okay, take a look. Is that the pullback? Okay, since there's a pullback and I'm continue the selling, then I will punch in another trade. But things like this right now for pound yen, okay, I will not do anything. I will not say, okay, since I know this is a pullback or I know it will come back later on, let me pump in a trade and grab a buy position and grab some profits. Okay, let's not waste the opportunity. I will not put all these so-called FOMO into my mind that I will chase a buy trade, a selling trade, a buy trade, a selling trade, and in the end I get myself so confused whether should I buy or should I sell, you know. So there's plenty of things like this that always put myself into consideration. Okay, all right. So euro yen pulling back. Euro yen is pulling back. So I believe yeah, euro yen is pulling back. Yes, that's right. So look at this. Okay, so when it comes this way, okay, so you can see there's a very nice pullback here, very nice pullback here. But after this part here, it started to go this way, whereby a bit struggling, selling, buying, selling, buying, hammer coming. Aha, the trick is here. So now it started to retrace upwards. So the pullback is coming. Yes, thank you, Trends United. Remember, pound news coming, it may go up 200 pips. Yes, that is correct. So, well, there may people be thinking, okay, since 200 pips, so probably I can trade a pullback. So I can grab that 100 pips, or maybe I can grab that 50 pips. No, I will not do that, because in the whole general trend right now, okay, if you're looking at H4, day one, the trend is actually lower low, lower low, lower low. So are we still in the selling trend? If we are still in the selling trend, I will not go against the trend. Remember, never go against the big brother. All right, never go against the big boys. Okay, haha, that's FOMO. Exactly, FOMO. All right, so very important. Okay, all these things are that we should be paying attention to, so that we will not fall into the trap. Okay, from the market or the FOMO. Okay, that's very important. Okay, so yep, yes, thank you very much. So sell or buy pound yen? No action, no action. Pound yen, which are not supposed to take any action. Out of courtesy, I should pronounce your name. I should greet you. Should I just Amen? Did I pronounce it correctly? Alright, I hope I pronounced it correctly. Okay. Anyway, okay, so buy or sell pound yen right now, no action. Okay, when there is a selling signal, then we sell, because pound yen tentatively it is in the downward trend. Don't buy pound yen. Don't buy pound yen, because pound yen right now, okay, it is not really good, right? Okay, so is that 9 EMA over here? No, no, that's not. Okay, you can go for 150. Sorry, 1 EMA of 50. Okay, 1 EMA of 50, and that actually can help also. Okay, so over here right now, I will be looking at pound yen to see whether, okay, the previous resistance, where's the previous resistance? As you can see, this is one resistance, because the area over here, this is the previous support in the trading market. It hits the lower low. When it pull back and it hits on the previous support, that become a resistance. So same thing over here. The pullback over here, it may be around this area, correct? This area, right? So this area, this one, okay, look at this. Okay, so if all right, this may be the pullback. Okay, this may be the pullback. Then when the pullback tests on the resistance over here, okay, this is the resistance I'm talking about, right? So over at this point here, once it touches, test it without breaking. So probably we may be looking out for other time frames with another selling candles, okay, where the last 15 minutes, 30 minutes, H1, okay, and H4, if there is any selling candle, all right, a selling signal, then probably we may have a chance to enter. Probably, okay, I say probably. may not. Okay, may not, because by looking at this, if you zoom out, this is a very clear pullback, but this is a landing. Can you see there's a landing here? A landing with struggling hammer coming up here. It may just break all the previous support. It may just break all the previous supports to test on the resistance up here. Okay, so this is very highly possible. So it's about 110 pips away from now. So yeah, just observe it first. Okay, we can plot this resistance level over at this level where the previous support. Okay, now let's take a look. Okay, right, so see, it's testing and it's going to break very soon. All right, testing and it's going to break very soon. Okay, yep, okay, yep. So just take a look. Be cool, be cool. No hurry, no hurry now. Okay, no hurry. Right? Yes. Okay, guys, let me have a sip of drinks. Okay. So what's next here? Do we have something? Well, it looks like we are. Looks like. Okay. Let's wait. This is not the right time yet, guys. This is not the right time yet. Okay. All right. It is still very the buying is still very full. So the candle, look at the candle. Okay, still very full. So it's the signal of buying is still very strong. Okay, so hang on, right? Just hang on for a little while more. Okay, this is very important. Okay, don't rush. Okay, yes. Well, anyway, yes, this is something that we're looking out for. All right. For Power Yen, there may be this pullback over here. Okay, this pullback over here, it looks pretty good. Am I right? Okay, it's just that the landing is not so good, which I don't really like this part here. The struggling show me that the support is pretty strong. So if there's a chance to come down here again, likely we'll have another 70 pips, 70. Okay, but not now. This is, although we know that from the current price now, we may have a 70 pips of space to grab the profit, but it doesn't mean that you can enter now. Okay, it's totally different. Okay, it's totally different. So we have to segregate out a few parts here. Okay, gold is so tempting. It's on the R level previous support, but I won't take it, and I don't want to give back my profit to the market. Well said, Trends United. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, since we are waiting for this. Okay, for gold, usually I'm not a fan of gold trading. Okay, however, okay, by looking at this, if I'm going for a buy, okay, and I would say that like you say, okay, it has reached to a level, okay, on the resistance level. Okay, so the previous resistance level already. So selling is highly possible, where I'm still looking at about 1800, the price of 1800. Okay, but once again, although now for gold is actually we are in the selling trend. However, if you actually look at this particular gold trading, and since yesterday, okay, it has already built up a double bottom. Am I right? So I would say that because right now we are in the middle of nowhere. So if the previous resistance is break, okay, it can be break. So very likely I'm going to see that another high chance of another high, okay, another high that are coming along to this around this level of 1870 about there. All right, so right now gold is in a position of nowhere, so for me I will not touch this, right? Okay, yeah, dollar yen. Let's take a look at dollar yen. So very happy. So trends, have you taken your profit? I'm not sure because just now I was saying that we are left with about 30 pips. Okay, so this is a support level. So it hits and tested. Immediately it got retracted. Okay, can you see it got rejected over here? Alright, so I hope you have captured your profits. Okay, so for dollar yen, okay. Okay, dollar yen, I'll be waiting maybe the next day or maybe second half of the day. Yeah, so still waiting. I'm still waiting. Anyway, it's still coming. It's already in my zone that I'm ready to sell. Okay, but just want to find the correct entry point to sell. Right, I'm just trying to find the correct entry point to sell. Okay, right. Yes. Yes, I take my TP 108 pips. Okay, good. Congratulations. Very, very nice. Well done. Well done. Okay, that's good. All right, since you have gotten your profit, then we move on to pound yen. Right, pound yen. So pound yen, well, by looking at this, the previous support over this area here, now it's actually testing on the highest of the support now. Okay, this range, correct? Okay, so this is the first gate, right? The first gate over here. Okay, the first gate over here. Okay, so I guess I still have some time, right? Okay. Okay, so pound yen, I will suggest, what broker do you use? Hi Kijara. My broker is Vantage International. I have my affiliate link in this description box. Okay, below my description box, you can find out from there. Right? If you need any help, yeah, my contacts is as well inside there. I will take care of it. Right? Okay, so next thing over here, right here. Okay, so we are okay. I'm looking at this pound yen to break the previous support that is going up to the support, the resistance over here at this point. By looking at this here, it looks like it is not going to, it's not going to not just a pullback, I guess, right? Looking at the re-enter, if it rejects from the zone from 133, 679, 133, 679. Which currency pair are you talking about? Oh, okay. I guess it should be dollar yen, right? Dollar yen, 133. Okay, 679. Okay. EJ, 133, 679. I believe you're talking about EJ. Dollar yen. Aha, dollar yen. Okay. 133, 679. 679. I guess it's about there. Yes. 133, 679. Yes, I guess, yeah, it's around this area. Correct. Okay, it's around this area. So let me do this. Okay, I pull this down. 133, 679. Yes. Yep. So it's about, yeah, it's around this area. Correct. That's right. Okay. Yes. Good job. Give a thumbs up. All right. Okay. So let's come back to pound yen. All right. Okay, pound yen. So looks like it's having another trending over here. Can you see, guys? All right. Okay. So looks like it's going to swing down from here. We have about 82 pips of space once again. Okay. Pound yen. Pound yen. Anyone with me? Pound yen. Alright, pound yen. Okay. Right. Pound yen. Okay, you're most welcome. Alright. Pound yen, pound yen. Okay. I guess it's pretty attractive. Okay. Okay, pound yen. Attractive here. Okay, so yep. Okay. Grabbing this pound yen, it depends. It depends on how's the candle closing and the next H1. Okay, pound gaining power because news is coming. It may be a fake out. Yes, that's right also. So pound yen, please look out. Do not take. If you want, I can just probably just scalp it. Okay, I will just scalp. Okay, very likely. Okay, 1 more minutes to go. Don't rush. Don't rush. Don't rush into the trade. Don't rush. Don't rush. Okay, don't rush. Okay. All right. So we have about one hour from now. Okay, 1 hour from now. Okay, so 1 hour from now. Okay. So for me, I will probably anyone. Okay, this is engulfing now. Okay, I will just probably if it's good. Okay, you can just scalp it and just go. Okay. Right. Scalp it and go. Scalp it and go. Right. Scalp it and go. Scalp and go. Scalp and go. Okay. Right. Scalp and go. Scalp and go. I will take a 5 or 10 maybe. Yeah. Okay. 5 or 10. Right. Just scalp it and go. Okay. Okay. Yep. Will it try to break the support here? Okay. Yes, maybe. Okay. I'll get a 10 or maybe a 5. Okay. A 10 or 5. Okay. Right. So, but just be very careful. Okay. Over here. Right. Right. So, just be very careful. This I like. We are entering to the 1 hour. Okay. Yes, friends. If new is okay. Entering 1 hour, then the news is coming also. Yep. Okay, so just be very careful. Okay. Right. If new is positive, GU long. GU long. Okay, let's take a look at the pound dollar. Pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar itself. Okay, by looking at this pound dollar, we are actually selling right now. Am I right? We are still in the selling mood. Okay, but the selling mood actually in the first half of the market, the buying is actually quite strong. Okay, I would say that this selling is quite strong, not buying. Sorry, selling is quite strong. So for pound to go for a buy, okay, likely, all right, very likely GU will go long, very likely. Okay, as we can see right now over here, higher support, the higher lows has already surfaced. So it very likely when you see all these, the one wave over here that is going to start to swing, it will swing to the resistance. Okay, all right. Okay, yeah. Okay, so for pound dollar, yeah, very likely it will go long. Very likely will go long. Right. What? Bradley, you have entered the trade. TP or GJ? Oh, okay. My God. Okay. Just catch hold of yourself, okay, please. Okay. Yeah, you already got a lot of profits today. 110 10 or more. Okay, just I think it's time to go for dinner. Okay, right. Don't force yourself into any trades now, huh? Yes. Okay, so pound yen like this, it seems like it's a bit struggling as well here, right? So this is we have a cowboy here. Yeah, I agree. I think so too. High five. Right. Okay. So yeah. Okay, so I'm actually once we enter to 1 hour. Okay, as like example, this is something over here. Okay, then you know 1 hour when the news is going to release. Okay, right. Then usually I will be a little bit careful. Okay, usually I will be a little bit careful. Even like say just now, okay, we have let's say we have a space from the resistance to the support. We have about 90 pips. Okay, let's assume that we have from the entry, okay, from the entry to the support we have about 60, right? Even so, even we have such a space, okay, I won't consider a 25% anymore. Okay, I won't consider 25% anymore. Okay, why is that so? Okay, let me show you this thing. First of all, this is like a landing, am I right? This is more like a landing. Like I said just now earlier on, the pullback very nicely done up, pullback very nicely done up, and now this is not a pullback. This is a landing, correct? Okay, so for example, for some people who are using a mobile apps, you're putting some indicator, right? Okay, so not to mention the indicator names, you see some dot, correct? Okay, so yeah, you can see that, okay, this is a pullback, this is a pullback, okay. So how about here? No, this part here is more onto the struggling stage. When the hammer comes in, when this comes to the resistance over here, this may not be a pullback. Instead of this become a pullback, the red candle here is a pullback. This may be a reversal, okay? This may be a reversal as the red candle is a pullback. No longer this green candle as a pullback like this anymore. It may not be anymore. So this red candle may be a pullback. Okay, so this may be the final one. Okay, if you want to take the risk of a 5 pips, 10 pips, a scalp, okay, that may be the final one. And after that, you will start to see green candle continue to go up again. Of course, in the whole of general trend, it is still in the selling. Okay, these green candles are all still in the way of a retracement. But in this M5, okay, it will terms as the red candle as a pullback. Okay, can you see the difference? Okay, like this. Once again, the pullback green candle here, pullback of the green candle here, then the fall of the red candle, correct? But when you comes down over here, it's like a landing. When you see a landing, struggling candles happening here, right? Then when you see hammer, now it started to retrace back. Now when you retrace back, from now on, all the red candle consider as a pullback in the time frame of M5. In the time frame of M5. Alright, okay. So at this point, this may be a pullback. So instead of trading down trading with the trend, in the downward trend, you are trading the pullback. Ah, my God. So do you know, in the M5 time frame, now you are in the pullback for this red candle. Understand now? Okay, so please, you must identify this stage so that you know any coming to the stage of this meeting up with the previous resistance, now become previous support become a resistance, immediately I want to sell. That is a common that is a general knowledge, but a common mistake where they don't understand this part as a struggling, and this now the red candle become the selling candle become a pullback. Okay, all right, if you understand, give me a thumbs up. All right, okay, right. So while reading this, let me see. My broker. No offense, is your broker better than IC market spread? Okay. No. Don't worry. We are all sharing here. All right, friends. Friends united, right? not to worry. Okay, as I always mentioned, okay, whatever we are sharing here, all neutral. We are not here to challenge anyone. Okay, so this is something that we love. Okay, we love to share. Right, my brokers. Okay, if you're talking about IC market, is in the way that IC market will have definitely will have a better spread than mine. Okay, I am also not someone who look out for low spread. Okay, as we have a discussion earlier on. Okay, low spread doesn't mean good broker, because broker may be trading against you. Okay, so a lot of us that we do not know. Okay, when we don't know about this. Okay, this may be something that we overlook, but I am also looking out for some reasonable spread, not too low. Okay, not too high. Okay, that I will be losing out on the spread. Okay, so IC market definitely will have better spread than mine, but actually I'm paying a little bit of the spread difference. Okay, from between IC to my broker Vantage. Okay, it's a service. It's a service that we are talking about. Okay, so I think no hard feelings, and not challenging. Okay, not challenging you as well. It's up to individual. It's up to individual. It's just that why I choose Vantage is because Vantage is actually in the move of to upgrade themselves. Okay, to having a great licensing in those financial country, financial zone. Like example, like Hong Kong, Singapore, Australia, maybe in the UK, Okay, so yeah, it's all is about that. This is their direction. So actually, and they are growing very well. So that's why for me in Asia, I just go with them. Yep. Okay. Yeah. By the way, I also have IC market account. Okay. So looking for broker to fund my own live account. I'm currently trading prop funded account. Oh, I see. All right. So currently you're trading with prop funded, huh? Okay. So I guess you're doing well, right? Okay. New knowledge. Thanks for the info. Well appreciated. No worries about that. Okay. Like I say, we are all sharing. Correct? We are all sharing. I like this. Yeah. Exactly. Sometimes you have low spread but high commission. That's the thing. When for my account I have no commission. So it's all basing on spread. Okay. So what we are trading here, and we have I think we all have IC market account. Yes. That's right. So basically, from my side, okay, why I choose to have this Vantage International is because I have top terms with them. Okay, and to be very honest, I'm an affiliate with Vantage International. So people who have clicked the link in my description box will become clients of mine. That I have a team of back-end support that I set up myself. Okay, to support all my clients. At the same time, I also talk terms with Vantage, so that my clients will enjoy the trading, will enjoy the very nice, transparent trading experience. Okay, so that we are not at the losing end. Well, they know that I have been in this industry for many years, since finance since 1999. So I know what's going on. Okay, so basically, yeah, this is what I'm trying to provide for my clients as well. Okay, so come back here with pound yen. Once again, we can see that pound yen is exactly what we are talking about. Are going to talk about over here. Yeah. So I will save your links. I think that broker is better on the Asia. yeah, we it's actually we also have in UK. Okay, it's also from UK. Yep. Okay. Yes. Okay. So if you are Friends United, I'm sorry, I forgotten where you are from. So probably if you are from UK, okay, then we have a UK branch there as well. Okay. Yes. Okay, so now I would like to share with you before I go offline. Okay, because it's time for me to rest my throat. Okay, it's time for me to rest my throat and to have my dinner before I start another Mandarin session with Malaysia. Okay, I'm having a charity night. Okay, so yep. When we talk about the trending over here, okay, the trending market here, right? One trending, a pullback, then a lower low, a lower high, pullback, a lower low, and struggling. Once we see this struggling started in M5 over here, it started to retrace upwards with a testing over here, like what you say, a fake breakout over here. So let me pull this down back here, right? This may come down, okay, to test the support to form a double bottom, right? Okay, thank you, Mei Mei. So if these don't come down and it retraces upwards, that means to say this red candle over here, it is a pullback. It is a pullback. So it is a starting of a buying trend, a starting of a retracement in the whole pound yen. Okay, so this retracement can be very big. Okay, so when this comes in and it breaks the first trending over here, that means to say it's going to erase all the trending, and very likely this is one trending, this is the second trending, correct? So this is the third trending. So very likely the very obvious one, the first trending is already, this first trending has already been erased. The second trending will be here. I will be looking at this level. Okay, I'll be looking at this level. So this red candle has become a pullback and continue the buy. And this will come into the resistance level here to test on this resistance level. So this is something that we will be going on. Okay, so let's observe, okay, to see whether it happens. Okay, and this, if this can hold the price, very likely it will have another round of consolidation before it starts to sell. Okay, alternatively, it will break this and go up to the higher resistance, whereby this area of value, okay, this area. So as you can see, this is the final one. Okay, this is something, right? You are in Europe. Okay, so yeah, I think that's fine. Okay, so so you can see that so you can take a look, okay, for Vantage International. All right, okay, yes, pound is gaining power. Yeah, because started to erase the trending here, So the trending pattern has been disrupted. Okay, it has been disrupted. So now it's going up. Okay, so now it's going up. So as a whole trend here, as you can see, we plotted the support level here earlier on just now. Am I right? Okay, if you still remember. Now it touches the support here. Immediately it got rejected. So you see, so to plot out the support and the resistance level is so important. Okay, but of course you still have to, apart from support resistance, there is one basic knowledge that we need to know. Of course, there are plenty others knowledge that also help in our trading as well, right? So along the way, yes, in my live session, I'll be sharing, okay, so that many of us here can gain some knowledge. If you have something else to share, okay, like we have like you, Trends, and we have Alpha, Patella, where we have Forex New Way, okay, we have some other people out there sharing, okay, also very nice, we have Zen, okay, so yeah. This is a nice sharing community for Forex trader. Do you agree? I love to build such a community. Okay, this is something that you give me a lot of power, give me a lot of motivation to come in every day with you. Okay, yes, so yes, Hubert, yes, like Hubert, you know, Flora, Carol from Australia, Hubert from Germany, Flora, okay, from Canada, right? Sorry, from Florida. Correct. Okay. Yeah. Very good analysis today. So, oh, thank you, Sharon. All right, thank you very much. Okay, so guys, I have to end my live session today over here. So, lastly, okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, this live session, and remember to give me a like, showing a little bit of appreciation for the effort behind this video. Click the subscribe button so that we're always here. So enjoy the sharing and ring up the bell to get a notification once we go live. All right. Thank you so much, guys. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Really great to have all of you here, right? And I really appreciate. Thank you so much, guys. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. I shall see you again. Thank you so much.